If you're ready to take your dream of creating and selling journals, planners, devotionals like this one, or yung mga activity books for kids, this video is for you. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of Print Class. I'm Emigrace and I'm the founder of Graceful Publications and also the creator of Graceful Homeschooling and Graceful Homeschooling Plus. So ano ba tong mga to and what I'm going to share with you today? So a little history lang or a short history of kung ano ba yung Graceful Publications, Graceful Homeschooling, at Graceful Homeschooling Plus. So, yan. Share ko lang sa inyo yung background ng mga ito. So, yung Graceful Homeschooling started way back in 2020 nung nagkaroon ng global pandemic. So, doon nag-start talaga yung Graceful Homeschooling because lahat tayo ay naging homeschooling or accidental homeschooling families. Nagkaroon kami ng desire to share yung homeschooling journey namin. So, doon lang talaga nag-start tong lahat ng mga to. And then, I started creating mga learning materials para sa mga bata and even mga video learning materials para sa mga bata nung time na yon. And then, yung mga homeschooling parents and even yung mga educators ay nagbe-message na sa akin noon kung saan sila pwedeng makahanap ng mga printed copies ng mga ginagawa kong mga learning materials. So that time, naisip ko na, oo nga no, pwede ako mag-create ng mga learning materials and then i-offer ko to sa market. So doon naman nagsimula yung Graceful Homeschooling Shopee Store dahil yun yung ginamit ko na platform para makarating talaga yung mga learning materials doon sa mga homeschooling families and even doon sa mga teachers. And then, naisip namin na bakit hindi kami gumawa ng isang self-publishing business. So, doon na birth yung Graceful Publications wherein dito kami nagpa-publish ng mga sarili namin kinikreate dito sa Graceful Homeschooling like this one. Ito yung bago lang namin na nirelease na book, yung The Pain That Got Away. And then, meron din kaming nirelease na life-giving content. So, if you are a content creator naman, tapos you would like to have yung mga life-giving content sa iyong mga social media platforms, this one is the book for you. And then, meron pa kaming hindi pa na-release, Men in the Bible and Women in the Bible. So, ito yung mga ilan sa mga books na pinapublish namin dito sa Graceful Publications. So, yan, dyan nagsimula yung Graceful Publications. Now, meron akong create na isang klase, ang tawag ay Papers to Profits class. So, yung Papers to Profits class, ito naman yung nilagay na desire ni Lord sa akin to help yung mga homeschooling and stay-at-home moms na makapag-create sila ng isang negosyo at home, at the comfort of their home. So, ito yung Papers to Profits class at nagkaroon din ito ng community na ang tawag naman ay Graceful Homeschooling Plus. So, hindi na namin nilayo doon sa Graceful Homeschooling. So, ginawa na lang namin siyang Graceful Homeschooling Plus. So, ito ay isang student or exclusive na student community. So, lahat ng mga nag-sign up doon sa Papers to Profits class ay nakaka-join doon sa Graceful Homeschooling Plus student community. So, yung student community ay nakakapagtanong kayo ng questions, nakakapag-share ng mga projects na nagawa na ng mga students, at pwede din talagang mag-share dito ng mga idea at iba pang mga bagay. At dito din ako nag-share ng passion ko when it comes to printing business or paper products business. So, yan yung Graceful Homeschooling Plus. So, today, ang share ko sa inyo ay paano ba tayo magmamarket ng mga paper products kagaya nito. So, meron ako dito ang ginawang journal and this one ay tinatawag na Affirmed. So, ito. Tapos, meron din ako, ito yung mga best sellers sa Graceful Homeschooling, yung mga soap journals. So, like this one. Yan. Soap. And then, eto pa. Meron pa akong iba pang mga soap journals naman for women at soap journals for kids. So, paano ba natin i-market yung mga journals, planners, and devotionals, and even mga activity books, no? Especially kung ang ating market ay very competitive. So, are you ready? So, if you have your pen and paper with you, so ilista nyo lang lahat ng mga share ko sa inyo because I'm sure makakatulong ito sa inyo. So, number one is to identify your market. It answer the question, who? Okay, sino ba yung ating target market? So, importante that we identify yung ideal market natin. So, ano yung mga questions to ask for? Number one is who will benefit from your product? Sino ba yung gagamit ng products mo? Sino ba yung magbe-benefit ng products mo? So, i-identify mo lang itong mga ito. Number two question, are they students? Are they professionals? Are they singles? Married couples, teachers, educators ba itong mga to? Or creative executives or mga small business owners. So we have to identify sino ba yung ating target market. Number 3 question, what age group or demographics do they belong? So ito sila ba ay mga preschool students, mga elementary, high school, or mga professionals, or kaya naman ay those in the advanced years age. So yan yung mga questions na itatanong natin when it comes to identifying our market. So number 2 ay look for your market's needs and problems. So this one answers the question, what? Ano naman yung mga needs at problems that they face? So i-consider lang natin yung mga questions like, what challenges do they face? Or ano ba yung mga problema at struggles nila? At paano makakatulong yung product ko para ma-solve yung kanilang mga challenges or para ma-solve yung kanilang mga problema? And then, how can my product make their life easier? So itong mga ganitong questions, paano ko ba masosolve yung mga challenges or paano ko ba masosolve yung mga problems, struggles, challenges, or needs ng aking target market? So that's number 2, look for your market's needs and problems, or it answers the question, what? Number 3, provide solutions. So this one answers the question, how? Now that we identify our target market and yung kanilang mga needs, challenges, struggles that they face, it's now time for us to position our product as the perfect solution for their needs, challenges, and struggles. Now we have to highlight how your planners can help them stay organized and productive, how your journals can inspire creativity and personal growth, and how your learning materials can enhance educational experience para sa mga bata. So ito yung pwede nating i-highlight sa product na ginawa natin or iba pang mga benefits ng product natin that address specific needs. Ito yung number 3, provide solutions, or tandaan nyo lang yung how. So para mas matandaan kung paano natin i-market yung ating paper products, 3 bagay lang, who, what, and how. So there you go. So ito lang ay isa sa mga lessons na tinuturo ko kung paano tayo mag-create at magbebenta ng mga paper products. Like for example, mga journals, devotionals, learning materials ng mga bata. Like for example, mga activity books at mga planners. So isa lang ito sa tinuturo ko sa Papers to Profits class. Now, if you're interested na sumama sa ating community, exclusive student community na Graceful Homeschooling Plus, ay mag-register lang kayo sa Papers to Profits class. Ilalagay ko yung registration form down in the description box. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video na to sa inyo. And excited ako na makasama kayo sa ating Papers to Profits class. So, thank you so much. And I hope that I'll see you again on my next one. God bless everyone. And I will see you around. Bye!